Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be Plum birthday sale recommendations haul, and I have a lot of products to show you. Okay, now the thing is, Plum is turning 7 this year and they are having a big 7th birthday sale on their website, and the sale is from 1st to 4th of July. I was about to place an order on their website, so I thought of why not sharing this with you. And also I'm going to recommend you a few products that I think you should try. So this video is going to be a product recommendation video. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. Please do subscribe to my channel, you guys. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. And if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, this is Arpita. I make beauty and makeup related videos, so please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And now, without rambling much, let's get started. Okay, so I have so many products to share with you guys, but first let me check what offers they are having on their website so that you guys know. Now there will be up to 40% off on your favorites. You will get freebies and few exciting vouchers with every order, and there will be few limited edition bundles as well that you have never seen before. Now if you place an order worth rupees 12.99, you will get a free body scrub worth rupees 550, and if you purchase worth rupees 19.99, you will get the body scrub and a hair mask worth rupees 650 for free. Now you guys know that they are having a sale up to 40% off, but if you use my coupon code, which is ARPITA15, you will get additional 15% off. And just to let you know, this video is not sponsored, okay? If you use my coupon code, you will get extra 15% off. I will leave it on the screen. And now let's get started with the products. Okay, just quickly go through the products because I have so many. So the first product I would recommend you is this one, and I have talked about this so much on my channel. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. This is the Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. I love using this. I have oily, sensitive, acne prone skin, and this is something I absolutely love and I would highly recommend. Then the next product is their Green Tea Clear Face Mask. Also, I talked so much about this on my channel. If you have oily, sensitive, acne prone skin, just try this one out. I'm sure you are gonna love this. And all of the product details and links, everything will be mentioned in the description box below. And also I will try to put the name and the price on the screen so that you guys can check that out. Then the next product is this one. This is the Chamomile and White Tea Glow Getter Face Mask, and if you are someone who loves a glowy looking skin, then you should definitely try this one out. This is suitable for normal to combination skin, and I use it on myself and I love this product, so definitely check this one out. Next I have a hair mask, and you guys can see how much I have used it up. Just check it out. I have a very little bit left and it smells amazing, you guys, and I love using this. This is a moisturizing hair mask, and this is the olive and macadamia one. Then I have another hair mask, and this is their newly launched product. This is the avocado hair mask, and this is also really nice. Now this one gives you nourishment, and this is more of a moisturizing one, the macadamia one. So you can pick whatever you like. I will link both of these in the description box below. Then I have a newly launched product from Plum, and this is their rose water toner that has hyaluronic acid in it. I have talked about this so much on my channel. Oh my god, I love this one. If you are looking for a good toner that's gonna give you hydration, so definitely try this one out. And this is really good, you guys. I think you should definitely try this one out. And the next product is Hello Aloe Aloe Vera Gel, and you guys know I love this product so much. I use it as my hair mask, I use it on my skin as my face mask, and it just gives you so much of hydration. This is really good. It just feels like you are taking out aloe vera gel from a plant and applying it on your skin. Now you guys know I love using it as my hair mask, and it works so well on your skin as well as on your hair, and it just makes your hair so beautiful, soft and shiny. Definitely try this one out if you are looking for a good aloe vera gel. This is something to go for. Okay, now let's talk about their kajal. Do I need to say anything? And these are just amazing, you guys. If you guys don't know, I have oily eyelids, okay, and whatever kajal I use, no matter how expensive it is, it doesn't stay on my waterline. and this does. Okay, so I love using this one. So I have two colors here with me. The first one is the green one, and I also have the black one, and these are the backups. Okay, I already have two of them. This is so small, you guys can see, and also I'm using this one. This is the black one, and this is the blackest black. Okay, it stays on you throughout the day. It doesn't smudge, doesn't purge, and it just stays on my waterline for about 4 to 5 hours, and this is amazing. You should definitely give this one a shot. Then the next product is this one, and this is the green tea oil free moisturizer that has niacinamide in it. Oh my god, I absolutely love this, and it doesn't contain any fragrance in it, so I absolutely love it. And it's so lightweight on the skin, and the texture is beautiful, you guys. And if you use it, you will know it also helps in controlling your oil and sebum production. So I absolutely love it, and definitely give this one a shot if you are from a oily skin family. This is something to go for. And then I have these two products. I know these are the minis. I am gonna get the bigger ones, but this is the Hawaiian Rumba shower gel, and this is their body mist. Oh my god, this smells so amazing. So I tried the mini ones because I didn't know how it's gonna work on me, and I was not really sure about the fragrance of it, but it smells so amazing, you guys. And it's strong, okay, but it doesn't give you headache, and I absolutely love the body mist. I'm definitely gonna get a bigger one once it gets over. So yeah, this is the shower gel, and I have used half of it, and this is the body mist. They are beautiful. Then I have their micellar water, and this is also, I think, their newest launch, and this is really good, and I have been using it. It's been a month or so, and you guys know that I love my Bioderma one, but now I'm using it because I have it, and I really like it. This is really good. If you are looking for a good micellar water, definitely try this one out. Oh, it also has aloe vera in it. Then I have two lip balms, and how can I not mention this, because I am loving these ones lately, and I'm not even using my Laneige one that much because I'm totally into this. And these are their Candy Mills lip balm. Now this one is unopened because I got it in PR, so I'm using this one currently, and this is in the variant Red Velvet Love. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips today. Okay, so just a little bit of lip balm, and oh my god, it smells so yum. Definitely give this one a shot. This is beautiful. Okay, this is so affordable but so good. And look at that tub, it's a lot. Okay, you are getting about 12 gram of product, so for a lip balm it's a lot. Okay, then the next product is their cleansing balm, and I have talked about this before on my channel, and this is to remove your makeup. If you are looking for a cleansing balm to remove your makeup, and you guys know that all of their products are cruelty free and they are very gentle on the skin. So if you are looking for something to cleanse your makeup and you don't go for a high-end one, so definitely try this one out. This is really good, and the texture of it, it's amazing. It looks like this, but when you apply it on your skin and you just massage it on your skin, and you guys can see it just melts into the skin so nicely, and after getting in touch with the water, it just turns into a cleansing milk, and I really like this product. Okay, definitely give this one a shot. Okay, now let's talk about their body oils, and this is in the variant Vanilla Vibes. Now I haven't tried their body care range. I have just used this one. This is their body loving shower gel from Hawaiian Rumba range. So I wanted to try a body oil from their range, and this is in the variant Vanilla Vibes, and it smells so good. It's not overpowering, and the smell is really nice, and the packaging is so cute. So I thought of trying this one out, and yeah, this is really nice. I'm really looking forward to use this. So this is completely new. Okay, I haven't tried it yet. Then the next product that I got is this one. This is the Plum Avocado Hair Serum. Now I haven't tried their hair serum before, and when I saw that they have launched their hair care range, so I tried this one. Now I haven't tried all of their hair care range. I just tried their hair mask, which was quite nice. So I thought of trying this one out, and this is their hair serum, and this is from the Avocado range, and this is their Frizz Control Hair Serum. Okay, So if you have frizzy hair, you should definitely give this one a shot. Let me just open this. Now this is how the actual serum looks like. It looks quite nice and the packaging is quite good, and it also comes with a pump, which is a good thing, and it retails for 675 rupees, which is totally under budget, and you are getting a lot. Okay, you are getting 100 ml of product, which is a nice thing. And it comes with a very mild fragrance. It's almost close to nothing. Okay, it's so lightweight on the skin, and yeah, I think this is gonna be nice because it feels so lightweight and it doesn't feel heavy or sticky or greasy or anything, and you can see it just dissolves into my hands. And yeah, I think I'm gonna love this one. So yeah, that's that. And then I have an exciting product. Now I was so excited to try this one out because I don't use hair oils that much, and I just don't like using oils because I have very thin hair and it just weights down my hair and it doesn't look good. I don't know, I don't like using oils that much. So I thought of trying this one out. So this is their Fall Rescue Scalp Serum. Okay, and this is something you are supposed to use it on your scalp. So I was so excited to try this one out, and this is how the product looks like, and I am really excited to try this one out because when it comes to Plum hair care products, I really like their hair mask. So yeah, if you are looking for something for your scalp, definitely try this one out. So yeah guys, that's all I have for today's video, and definitely let me know what are you picking up from the sale, and also if you want me to try any of your favorites from the brand. And also don't forget to use my coupon code to get some extra discount. You will get extra 15% off on your purchase, so definitely use my coupon code. And yeah, so yeah guys, that's it. That's all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Also let me know in the comment section below if you like this video, or if you find this video helpful, or if you want me to make any other videos for you. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.